This is the MAIDeSITE electric chair lift. It's a floor lift chair designed for two main purposes. One is to help individuals get off the floor who can't get up on their own or don't have somebody around to help them get up. And two is actually an option for patients who want to get in the bathtub to safely get down and get up from the bathtub. So I treat a lot of patients after total knee replacements. They want to return to taking a bath, to soaking, and unfortunately they don't have the motion in the knee joint to allow them to get up from the bathtub. This is a great option. Talking about the bathtub, it comes with these suction cups. These suction cups simply screw into place. I'm going to go ahead and apply these middle ones. I've already done the others. If you're using this as a normal floor lift chair on carpet, cement, even outside, sometimes when gardening, individuals will want to get down and get up from the grass a little easier. You can remove these suction cups and just use the standard plastic bottom. A couple of the features that I think are worth mentioning is the chair itself weighs 30 pounds. So it's not a light device, but it needs to be that heavy in order to handle the load. This is rated up to a 300-pound individual. I would tell you that I've had patients in the clinic that were about 250 to 280 pounds. In an emergency, you can go right up to 300 pounds, but I would feel more comfortable with somebody who weighed less than 300 pounds using this device. We have other devices that are rated up to 440 pounds. They're made of heavier gauge steel. It is what you would need to lift a heavier individual. A couple of things worth noting. So upon arrival, the device comes already assembled, basically ready to go out of the box. There is a handle on the back side right here. It's got little finger grooves that you can lift. And there's a latch, which might be hard for the camera to see, but there's a little latch down here, right where my thumb is, that if I want to lock this in place, the lever hooks in. Now I can pick it up and it'll stay assembled. When I want to use the device though, I push down to unlatch it, I open it, and now what happens is this little roller will hook in under this plastic fastener. So that's going to be there. These flaps are designed to fold out so that if somebody is using this in a bathtub, as it lowers, these flaps will come up along the side of the tub just to ensure that you don't get any pinching or skin irritation. But also when you're using this as a floor lift chair, these flaps make it easier for somebody to slide onto the chair if they don't have the strength to lift their body. This is the rechargeable hand controller. It comes with an AC adapter so that you would plug this directly into a wall outlet, standard outlet. The hand controller plugs in, clicks into place, and now when I push the up arrow, you can see that the reclined backrest will shift forward, and now the chair will start to rise. At the lowest setting, the chair goes down to about 3 inches of height. At the highest setting, it'll rise to about 19.5 inches. Most standard chairs, the seat height is about 19 inches. So this is lifting the individual to a standard waiting room chair elevation. You can see the speed. It's a relatively slow device. That's partly because we want the client to feel safe, feel controlled. At this point, it's at full elevation. Once again, we can lift it, move it, do whatever we need with it. The padded seat, the padded backrest make it comfortable for any individual. The entire device is water resistant because it's designed to use in a bathtub, which means that if it gets wet or if you need to clean it, it's a very easy surface to clean. I'm going to go ahead and lower the device now, and I'll show you how it stores. Once we're getting all the way down, you can see how the backrest starts to recline. I can tell you that some of my clients don't like the reclining backrest. So typically what I'll do is when we're going down, I'll stop once we get to the point that the seat is all the way down and the backrest has not started to recline yet. This is usually the position that's as low as I go. But for storage, we would want to lower it all the way down. It's stopped. I'm going to go ahead and fold this over. I'm going to remove the rechargeable hand controller. There's a little cap that covers the end of that just to keep the connectors clean and secure. This little clip down here, once again, we want to make sure that that's locked into place. And now the seat is ready to move. I can take it with me. I can put it into storage. I can set it in the closet or place it wherever we believe that we need it.